Hi, it's Joan in the online school of bridge. This week we're looking at strong hands. There are two types of strong hands, that is balanced or unbalanced. So this week I'd like to talk about strong balanced hands. They're hands that you reckon are too strong to open at the one level. So if you had a hand that was 20 high card points and balanced, in most systems, you would open 2 no trumps, and that would show 20 to 21 points and balanced. Balanced hand shapes are 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, or 5, 3, 3, 2. This hand you'd open with 2 no trumps. If you pick up an even stronger hand and it's balanced, start with our game force. That's 2 clubs. And after partners responded, bid 2 no trumps or 3 no trumps to show partner exactly how many points you've got. So let's say you had this hand with 24 high card points. You'd open at 2 clubs and partner must respond to that, and then you would bid 2 no trumps. If you had even more, which is very rare, you'd open 2 clubs and over partner's response, you'd bid 3 no trumps and partner would know exactly what to do. So 2 no trumps by opener is not exactly forcing. Here's a summary for responder when your partner, the opener, bids 2 no trumps, showing 20 to 21 points and a balanced hand. If you too have a balanced hand and fewer than 5 points, just pass and play in 2 no trumps. If you've got enough for game and a balanced hand, just raise to 3 no trumps. If you're thinking about going to slam with balanced hands, the only thing that will actually help you making tricks is high card points. So this is one time that we actually need to be very precise with the points that we're showing, both as opener and responder. If you know that you've got 33 high card points between the 2 hands, then when partner opens 2 no trumps, if you had enough to go 6, you would just bid it straight away. If you weren't quite sure whether partner had 20 or 21 and you needed to know because you weren't sure about 33, then the bid that you would make is 4 no trumps. This is not asking for aces. This is actually called a quantitative bid, and it says, partner, please go to 6 no trumps if you were maximum, but please pass 4 no trumps if you only had 20 points. The same applies on the rare occasions you might want to go 7. You need to know that you've got 37 points between the 2 hands in order to do that. When you hear partner opening 2 clubs, you must bid. The 2 club opening says nothing about clubs. It's just actually the strongest bid that they can make. Their hand could be balanced or it might be unbalanced. You won't know this until the next bid. So if you've got a hand that's not special, up to about 8 points and no particularly good suit, respond 2 diamonds. This is a negative or a waiting bid because you're sort of waiting to see what sort of hand opener had to start with 2 clubs. If you have a good suit, something like this, ace, king, 10 and 3 other cards, and around 8 or more points, you should show a positive and you should bid your suit. So partner will know the difference between a 2 diamond response and, say, a 2 spade response. So practice the 4 hands that are here, and there's a review as usual of each of the hands, and let me know how you go. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you again next week for more on strong hands.